Hello again, Tara here. Today I'm bringing to you 3 simple farm animals that we're going to draw. So let's get started.
Our first farm animal for the day is the cow. So the cow starts out with a big oval. This is going to be the nose and the mouth. And then we'll draw a big curve, like a big hill or a half circle from one side of the oval to the other. All right, now at the top of the oval, or the top of the nose, we're going to add 2 little eyes. Then some big curves for the nostrils on either side, and then another little one to give it some more definition. Then a circle mouth, because the cow goes moo. And the cow needs a little bit of horns. So just 2 little half circles up at the top of the head. And for the ears, we'll make some ovals sticking out. One on the right, one on the left. And I'm going to add a little extra line to connect it. Some eyebrows. Now our car looks a little bit more surprised. And we'll throw in some curvy lines because the cows have spots, right? So we'll make some curvy looking spots. And there's our cow. Next up on the farm, we've got a rooster. So the rooster starts out with a big oval for the head. Then we're going to put the eyes very far apart. So they're going to be right on the edge of the head on either side. So 2 ovals for the eyes, a little circle in each one for the shine. Then at the top, we'll make these shapes looks like an upside down teardrop. So it doesn't really matter what size, just as long as they're a few different sizes. Then we'll put a little curve, like a little hill right in the middle. We'll start the beak and turn that into a triangle. Then we'll make a few more of those kind of teardrop shapes at the bottom. Next here is our dog. So a lot of people have dogs even if they're not on the farm, but dogs are definitely big farm animals too. So I've got 2 circles for the cheeks and then a little oval in between for the nose. Then we've got a little upside down hill for the tongue and a line coming out. Another little half oval or 2 for the eyes. An oval in each for the pupil. And then a big curve that connects one cheek to the other, and that's our head. Dog needs some eyebrows, right? And next we'll put the ears. So just draw a line straight out from the top of the head out to the left, and then curve it in to where it meets the face. Same on the right side. Draw a line out and curve it in. Then we'll add a couple little dots in the cheeks for where the whiskers usually go. And that's it.